All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in an old friend. We've actually owned this car 3 times. I love getting it back every single time. Matter of fact, it seems like it gets better every time it comes back. People do their own thing to it. So this is a 1968 Camaro. It was frame off restored probably 30 years ago. This paint job's probably almost 30 years old, and it's incredible. Super straight. The paint's not shrinking or checking or doing anything. It looks beautiful. Engine compartment is detailed to the nines. I mean, it's really proud to open the hood on this one. Previous owner bought it a little over a year ago. He's moving out of state. Said, you know what? Time for it to go. So the only thing he did to it is he updated the mirrors on the outside so you can see out of them a little better. It used to have taillight mirrors on it. And he's got some 17 and 18-inch Boss wheels on it, which I think look great. But this has a built 327 Holley 4-barrel, or I should say Barry Grant 4-barrel, expensive one. It's got a Muncie 4-speed, 10-bolt differential with 373 gears. It's got non-power disc brakes up front and no power steering, but surprisingly, steers good. That pulls real nice and smooth. Car was always well cared for. Got a custom dash, you know, that's painted the same color. Nice comfortable interior. It's cloth. It's dated. You can tell it's something from the 90s, but it's super comfortable. It's got tinted glass. A whole lot of goodies. We're gonna go up here and take some more pictures, some more video for you so you can get a little better look at it. All right, check out this really super clean 68 Camaro. I've had the pleasure of owning this thing a few times over the last 20 years probably. Great looking car, really nice body and paint. In today's standards, this is a $30,000 paint job. Just beautiful. Daytona Yellow. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Front and rear spoilers. All the chrome is beautiful. All the stainless trim around the windows. It's got smoked glass. A new addition to this car are these wheels. It's got 17s in the front and 18s in the back. They look pretty wide, maybe 9s. They fit real nice in there. Looks pretty cool. But not an SS, not an RS, not a clone. Just a nice 68 Camaro. And people are going to go, that's not a 68, it's a 67. Because it's got wing windows. Well, the guy that built this car a long time ago wanted wing windows for ventilation. So it's got 67 doors on it. Pretty cool. The interior is old school, probably done in the 90s. Gray, black, and yellow velour. Super comfortable. It's got a velour headliner. All the paint on the inside is nice. Painted dash. It's got autometer gauge set up there. Nice to have, so you know what's happening under the hood all the time. Quarter stick Hurst shifter. Muncie 4-speed. Old school. Fry the tires if you want. A carbon fiber steering wheel. Nice polished billet steering column. Just a really sano, clean car. Solid, rust-free. Stack of receipts going back 30 years. Fun car to drive. Here's the power plant in the 68 Camaro. 327. All built up real nice. I got a stack of receipts on everything that was done, but it's got camelback heads and aluminum intake. It's got Barry Grant 4-barrel Holley style carburetor. It's got the polished ball milled matching valve covers and air cleaner. All these neat little covers and everything. There's your wiper cover. It's non-power disc brakes, dual reservoir. No power steering, but doesn't steer that bad. But look, they even painted this core support. I mean, all the everything is new, every nut and bolt. And it's been like this for a while. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yeah, it's a runner. It's got chrome hinges, look at that. So it's got a nice cam in it, Hooker super comp headers, electronic ignition. raspy little cam in it. And a great sounding Camaro, and great looking. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. And my name is Rich. I'll be happy to show you the car in person or set up some financing or whatever you might want. It's a neat car. I got Carlos in there playing with the throttle. He's having too much fun. All right, thanks for watching.